Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will proceed to fabricate a DIY cold-to-hot water conversion device, utilizing simple materials, especially a heat exchanger. Please accompany me to explore the complete fabrication process from start to finish. To initiate the process, we will use copper tubing to fabricate the heat transfer core for the heat exchanger by forming the coiled tubing pathway. Next, I will make slight structural modifications to the heat exchanger to align with the new design. Following that, I will fabricate a DIY rotor unit, repurposing a magnet and an old motor to create the rotational mechanism. Subsequently, we will securely affix the rotor unit into the center of the copper coil fabricated earlier, and then proceed with the installation of the control switch. Next, we will connect the electrical supply and conduct a test run to assess the temperature stability of the heat exchanger. Finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.